Guys, this is Jamaica Health Box. This is the Never Tired Roots for the stomach, for the nerves. This is good probiotics. You're supposed to drink at least 10 bottles of this every year. Our herbalist, he drinks about this. He drinks a bottle of this probably every 2 days. I drink 4 ounce when I can get it. I drink 4 ounces of this every day. Just like kombucha, but more importantly, this gets rid of the parasites. Dead cannot feed on dead, and this is fermented. If you eat meat, especially whatever you eat, this is what gets rid of it. 3 bottles of this per week, your stomach, things keep flowing. You want to keep the pipes clean. So it's all about fermentation. So this has been in the business for over 50 years, provided by our famous Rastafarians.